Hey everybody, this video, got a American 5200 here, no key, and we're going to see if we can change that here. We're going to try to pick it, and got this one all the way. I didn't gut the last video, I just got the key pins out, but this one will actually gut, and then I'll run out to the truck and make a key. And we'll check these other 4 that are sitting here and see if any of them are the same. Here I made a key. There was 6 of these. I made a key to 1 and it didn't work any of the other ones, so not too optimistic now that any of them are going to be keyed the same, but you never know. They did come from the same eBay seller. Hey, we're open. Lots of serrated pins, I think. And see if we can get this guy apart here. Need a Phillips screwdriver. Since I've got no key, be careful not to lock it back here for tweezers here. And just spin this guy. Just get this piece on top here. Maybe even take the clip off. Holy shit. Man, it's like 3 in the morning here and I'm kind of out of it. Should be sleeping. Alright, managed to get it apart anyway. Key blank here. So we got some really long key pins. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 maybe here. And see what we got going on upstairs. I think it's just going to be a lot of serrated pins is my guess. If there is any spools, I certainly did not feel them. Make a liar out of me. Well, I didn't feel it, but there is a spool that should be over one of these short key pins and probably would have got a nice false set. We got 1 spool, and we got 4 serrated pins is what we got going on. And if this spool was over pin number 1 or 5, might have got a nice little false set, which in my opinion is always more fun to pick, but that's not what happened. And just guessing at this bidding here, it's probably like 3. It's going to be a 7 or 8. It's probably a 5 or 6, 3, maybe a 4 and 3, something like that. But anyway, what I'll do here is I'll just go ahead and put these pins back in here. So the fingers aren't really working. So pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and pin number 5. And then the magic of video editing, I will be right back with a cut key. Alright, and we're back here with a nice cut key. We are bidding as 38642. And then go ahead and try these other locks to see if I'm lucky here, see if any of these are pinned the same. But like I said, I'll be surprised here because check out my last video. I've got a key for another one of these locks, and key didn't work any of them. So alright, no such luck. So you guys are going to have to suffer through probably 4 more of these videos. And it was suggested on my last video that maybe I impression one of these, so I might give that a try. I have impressioned American lock, but I used my key machine. I haven't done it by hand, so might try that for the next one. If you guys like this one, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.